Before the world echoed with digital sounds, music lived in the hands of artisans. Each drum, flute, and string was born from wood, wind, and fire, crafted by those who knew rhythm not from machines, but from life itself. In villages across India, the ancient craft of making musical instruments still thrives. From the mridangam of Tamil Nadu to the ektara of Bengal, each instrument is handmade with skill passed down for centuries. Wood is seasoned for months. Animal hide is cleaned and stretched, and even the glue is made using natural resin. These instruments are not mass-produced. They're sculpted with soul. But the value lies not just in the making, but in the music. Each instrument carries the sound of a region, its people, its festivals. The shanai at weddings, the dole at harvest, the nadaswaram at temples, these are the sounds of memory. When a drum is beaten, it doesn't just create rhythm, it awakens ancestry. The tune of the land flows through hands that remember and songs that survived invasions, time, and silence. Yet today, these artisans struggle. Machines are faster, cheaper. The youth drift away from tradition, seeking urban dreams. But sparks remain. NGOs, musicians, and culture enthusiasts are reviving interest in handmade instruments. Young artists are returning not just to music. To hear a handmade instrument is to hear the heartbeat of tradition. In each note lies a legacy. In each craftsperson, a keeper of culture. And in each song, they keep the rhythm of a timeless heritage alive. Ishin, the Baki